Hi guys, welcome back to Life with Mama Khan. My husband and I would go out to get these guacamole fries from a shop in London, but it's been closed due to the current situation. So we decided to make these fries at home. Let me show you how. I'm starting off by cutting 5 golden potatoes in the shape of thick chips. Now that my chips have been cut, I'm going to place them in a bowl of cold water. Let the fries soak for about 20 to 30 minutes in order for them to destarch. And while the fries are destarching, we can get started on our toppings for the fries. Dice half a red onion. You can use a white onion if you like. Then slice 4 to 5 pieces of halloumi cheese. And remove the flesh from 2 avocados. I have sliced my avocados and added them to a blender, to which I have added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Then I'm just pouring my guacamole into a squeeze bottle. This will help with garnishing the fries. It's been 30 minutes, the fries have been drained, and I'm now adding them to boiling water for 6 more minutes. In a separate bowl, I'm adding cornstarch, paprika, Cayenne pepper, black pepper, and some water. This paste is going to be used to coat the fries before frying them so they become nice and crispy. I have a lot of fries, so I'm coating them and frying them in batches. I'm using 1 cup of oil to deep fry them. Fry in batches. Don't overcrowd the pan or your fries will come out soggy and greasy. To give you an idea of the texture that the fries should have, here's what my fries sound like. Now I'm just seasoning the fries with some dried rosemary, garlic powder, paprika powder, and salt. I'm now grilling my halloumi, which I will top my fries with. I'm topping this off with the guacamole that I had prepared, some Siracha mayo, onions, and oregano. And the fries are ready. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like my videos and want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. See you next time.